We tell ourselves we aren't ready. We tell ourselves we need a better camera, a better lens, a better reason to be seen. We treat YouTube like a stage, something we have to audition for. But what if we treated it like a diary instead? Think about it. The way the light hits your kitchen floor in the morning hours. That special little "good job, honey" from your best friend, my wife. The way your hands look when you're nervous. Right now, these are just everyday, the ordinary. They're invisible. But time is a thief. It steals the details without asking. A camera is a weapon against these forgetting moments. When you record, you aren't broadcasting to strangers. You're anchoring your life to the present moment. So film the coffee. Film the walk. Film the mess. Do it for the version of you who will one day look back and realize that ordinary was the entire point of being alive.